Prepping for dinner, y'all. Got some rest of this avocado, some salad. I'm gonna show y'all something funny. Okay. I think that's done. Oh, here's a piece here. So y'all can see what's for dinner, what's popping, what's popping. All right, that's the end of that. Yeah, guys, she's doing it. She touches her food. All right. Okay. Trying to see which one. Okay. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potato. And we got some Brussels sprouts, jalapenos, onion. Y'all look at that. I know y'all mouth watering, right? I know your mouth is watering. I think I'm gonna save some for baby girl because she might want some. Look at that. Get some more of them onions, garlic. Yeah, jalapenos and garlic is on here. She might want to taste it. Don't it look good? Don't it look good? And I made like mango, pineapple, ginger in here. So that's the drink. Hold on, y'all. Hold on 1 second. So good. So good. Ooh. Look at that. Ooh, y'all. Y'all know that looks good. Y'all know that looks good. So I'm gonna take this, put that in here, this in here. Get ready to wash that. In a second. So that is dinner.
Can you help me make a Valentine's Day card?
God, that's my little girl saving that money.
Sure, baby. Who's it for?
My boyfriend.
You're welcome.
Well, the girl can't help it if she's popular.
Where'd you get a boyfriend?
At school.
Hey, Mom, do you have a place where I can put all my Valentine's Day cards? How many you giving out?
I'm not really giving them out. Let's just keep on giving them to me.
Mark.
You see all this right here? You see that?
Mark.
Why Tanya don't need to be running around here talking about she got a boyfriend?
Surely she's 10 years old. He's just a boy in her class. It's no big deal.
Michelle, when you watch the news, girls are having babies at 10.
And grandbabies at 20.
Drew is the one you need to be worried about.
What for? So if you girls like them, what's wrong with that?
He's
You look like you drunk.
He's only 1 year older than
Let me turn this
Tanya.
light out.
What is the difference?
She is a girl.
Baby, you cannot protect Tanya from everything.
You want to bet? Watch you. I'll protect it from everything.
Sure you alright?
Everything.
You didn't say grace. You didn't say grace yet.
No?
This is Ronald, my fiance.
Alright.
Meet you, sir.
Oh, you gonna say it? Oh, alright.
Thank you for bringing us here, girl. Thank you for putting on work. Thank you for having our journey good and not
Nice
negative.
guys finish last.
Thank you for putting up from us.
Right out of the nice guys.
Positive
Should we
comment.
go short? No, no, it's right.
Thank you for every day
You
with
say
us.
anything to her?
Thank you for food we about to eat.
Oh man, this is major.
You like the Brussels sprouts?
Right? This is for you.
Y'all, the next time y'all see me, she gonna have a new hairdo. Mm-hmm. You got anything to say? Yeah, I'm trying this. It's just for a try. Look at this hair. All this hair. Don't you jealous? She mad, y'all. She mad.
Who mad when I cut my hair 2 times already?
I'm just saying, like,
Because of her. In a good way though. Like going natural.
y'all, and look at this bump on the log. He still asleep. How you, look at this. You stay up all day, go to work in the daytime, sleep on 3 hours, and then you do this, and gotta be at work by 12 o'clock. I don't get it. You're gonna wear yourself thin. But guys, I will see y'all probably
I don't know
tomorrow.
what's wrong with my dad.
What?
I don't know what's wrong with my dad.
Y'all, we don't know what's wrong with him either. But he just wearing himself thin, that's what's wrong. Guys, we are watching
I was just about to say you should tell them when we watching.
we are watching The Call. What is it? The Call?
911 or something.
911. No, it's called The Call or something like that.
I don't know. It's with that beautiful girl.
With Halle Berry. Oh my God, it's so good. This movie is so good. So guys, I'll probably see you tomorrow. I'm trying to get him to put that light up. Oh my gosh, that light fixture is so beautiful. Trying to get him to put that up. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Peace, and chicken. Not chicken grease, vegan grease.
Chicken.
Say night, Papa. Say night. Y'all like? I cannot. It felt like my head is going like this. But it's gonna get put up. So that's what it looks like. Could hurt to turn it off because of the music in the background. Hey y'all. Happy Saturday. Yes, we made it. We made it through the week almost. But guys, it is time to break away from all the chaos over the week, all the stuff, worried about bills, home, kids, husband, wife, finances, what we gonna do, the pandemic, money, all that stuff. Guys, take a break and take a moment to just woosah. Get alone to yourself. Go to a park. Even though it might be cold where you might be, it might be nice where you might be. Just go somewhere, take a little brisk walk, sit down alone, just talk to the Father, talk to your Creator, whoever you believe in. Just take a break away so you can regain everything that you need to go on to the next week. So that is my words for today, guys. Take a break away from everything. Sometimes including yourself, because y'all know right here can be all cloudy from all the things. So guys, please learn how to take a break. Yes, you take a break. Bye, Happy Saturday. So fixing some oranges for the AM, well, for the noontime. I'm trying to think what is on my agenda today. I don't know, but I'm gonna do something. I know I gotta go get the boys today, and hopefully the light fixture will get fixed. Y'all like the hair? Look, I'm about to show y'all later because I'm not gonna take this loose because it's cold. And we're praying that we can get this light up. Nothing. This one here.
Hey! Let me find out. Let me find out. Hey, you two what?
What is that?
What?
What you talking about?
That's a song.
Oh. Who operates on no sleep? But hopefully can get that light up today. I'm gonna get ready to exercise and I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, I wanted to show y'all something real quick. I'm not feeling the table like this by itself, and I'm thinking there's too much stuff going on the bar cart and these chairs. So I want y'all let me know in the comments. I know y'all will. What do y'all think? Because I'm about to make some changes right quick, and I just wanted to show you guys. So I'm going to put some of the things on the table, and I'm going to remove all the pillows, and then y'all let me know what y'all think about the situation. Hold on one second. the plain chair, which I love. I kind of like it like this, plain. And then I love the fact that I was able to put both of these little candle sconces on the side of this runner. I think it looks nice. And it takes more, it puts more attention over here a little bit more. And then over here, it just looks better to me. I just felt like it was too much going on. So to me, now that's more simple. I put the coasters from here down there. And then I took that vase that was down here and placed it up here next to the candle. And yeah, it's just not too much. I think that looks better. So y'all can let me know in the comments, as I know you will. So yeah, it just looks, now it doesn't look overloaded. Y'all know I like minimalist look. So yeah, I think that looks so much better. Y'all, we're gonna make some pizza, right?
Pizza topping.
Tell them what you're making. What kind
We're
of pizza?
making pizza with sausage and pepperoni, and we're making green beans on
All
the
right, here.
side.
Come here. You're gonna put like 6. You're gonna put like 6. Come here.
Hey, if I eat
You
fish
get take 2 out of
and
here. And put them over here.
you know
Mari, what are
what?
you talking about?
I get pizza and beans.
Put 1 there. Okay. Come here, Mari. You take 2 out of here. Take 2. 1, 2. Then get 1 first. 1. Set it right here. Good job. And do the other one. Mari, you gotta get out of here. No, we don't get out of there. Just wait. So, y'all got y'all's 2? And what y'all want on there?
Fish
You want me to
and
put-
beans.
Okay, I'm gonna put 2 more. 1 for me,
And
1 for you.
I want fish.
So yeah, guys, we're making pizza. Huh?
You staying with us today?
Hold on.
AJ.
Let them know what you want on your pizza.
I want this.
Let them know.
Happy
You said
day.
pepperoni and what?
Sausage.
And you got what? You got this? What's this? They can't see you. You gotta come
And
over here.
pizza. I'm looking at it.
But you gotta come over here so they can see you.
Eagle.
Don't put your hand there. Come here.
And
You gotta tell them what you want.
pizza.
What you having on it?
Pizza.
And what you having? What's your side dish?
Green beans.
Green beans and onions.
Green
So-
weenies.
Green beans and onions. Do
How about
y'all want?
the units?
Do y'all want? Stop. Do y'all want? Oh, you said you wanted. What about? Oh yeah. You said we don't have no doing carrots today. We're gonna do zucchini. So guys, I'm gonna put this pizza together, and then I'm gonna hold on. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna look. Y'all wanna say bye bye? Say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Show y'all something. Show y'all something. Go ahead.
Last time we were with Daniel Uncle Mayo. When we came home, and the next day, I pulled my tooth out.
Okay. And what did you tell them? Happy what?
Happy Thanksgiving. Wait.
What?
Happy Valentine's Day. My pizza is zucchini,
Garlic,
garlic, spinach,
green chives, onion,
onion, and
yellow pepper.
yellow pepper.
So what is all that stuff gonna be? The-
Pizza topping.
Let them know.
A pizza topping.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna get busy. We're not trying to get electrocuted.
Right there.
MJ, don't let him hold it, Mark. Let him hold it. Good job, Mari. Do you need some black tape? Alright guys, I'm going to end this video today for this Saturday because we're winding down. Everybody's getting ready to go to bed, or everybody is almost in the bed, but just want to show you guys the light is done. We gotta find a different let me turn it around. Gotta find a different bulb because the bulb is too big to go in the glass, but basically the frame of it is up. So yeah, just wanted to get ready to end this video. I'll show you guys where, I'll see if the boys will say bye, but Marcus is asleep. Knocked out. Are y'all gonna say goodnight? Want to say goodnight in the video? Say bye, y'all.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
All right, y'all. I will see you guys in another video.